If you're looking to embrace a slower, more intentional lifestyle, there's something important you need to know. The art of slow living can transform your life in ways you never imagined. In this video, we'll explore 10 practical ways to start your journey towards a slower, more meaningful existence by typing "I am a minimalist" in the comments below. 1. Decluttering for a simpler life. In the pursuit of a more intentional and fulfilling life, decluttering is often the first step. Imagine a space where every item serves a purpose and excess belongings no longer weigh you down. Decluttering is not merely about tidying up. It's a transformative process that liberates you from the burden of possessions and fosters mental clarity. As someone who has embarked on the journey of simplifying life, I can relate to the initial frustration of feeling overwhelmed and burnt out without understanding why. The advice to just relax can be misleading, often leading to impulsive spending on unnecessary items. However, I discovered that minimalism and decluttering offer a better path to contentment. Decluttering goes beyond organizing. It's about letting go of what no longer serves you. Owning less can shift your mindset from constantly seeking solutions through consumerism to proactively creating a fulfilling life. As you pare down your possessions, you'll also declutter your mind, shedding the weight of guilt and attachment to items you don't need. This process sets you free and enables you to enjoy life more by reducing the constant stress and cortisol levels that come with an overcrowded life. 2. Embracing daily chores for balance. In our fast-paced world, we've lost touch with the significance of daily chores and the balance they bring to our lives. Cal Newport, in his book Digital Minimalism, emphasizes the importance of these quiet, introspective tasks as a way to process the incessant influx of information we face daily. By viewing housework and daily chores as opportunities for mental regulation, we can regain equilibrium. Housework, such as doing the dishes or folding laundry, may seem mundane, but they offer a space for processing thoughts, reducing stress, and restoring balance. Instead of treating them as burdens, embracing these tasks as moments of reflection can make a significant difference in your daily life. Consider taking those few minutes to wash dishes or fold laundry as opportunities to declutter your mind. By approaching these chores as moments of mental and emotional balance, you can create a more enjoyable daily rhythm that fosters mindfulness and mental clarity. Attention, everyone! Ready to uncover the millionaire mindset and transform your financial goals into reality? Meet the Millionaire Mindset ebook, Your Key to Wealth Creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below, and if you found the video helpful, please like the video. 3. The power of meaningful conversations. In our fast-paced lives, meaningful conversations often take a back seat. However, connecting with friends and engaging in genuine conversations can have a profound impact on our well-being. Conversations provide a safe space to share our thoughts, experiences, and ideas, promoting a sense of connection and understanding. Taking time to call a friend to discuss both the ordinary and the extraordinary aspects of life can be a source of comfort and solace. Hearing a friendly voice on the other end of the line, knowing you are being heard and seen, can alleviate stress and offer emotional support. Meaningful conversations not only benefit you but also the person on the other end of the line. Being there for someone and actively listening can strengthen relationships and provide a deeper sense of connection. The power of human connection is often underestimated, yet plays a vital role in slowing down and enjoying life more fully. 4. Letting go of unnecessary commitments. In the quest for a more deliberate and slower pace of life, it's crucial to assess your commitments and consider quitting extracurricular activities that no longer bring joy or fulfillment. Holding on to activities out of obligation can lead to stress and burnout, detracting from your overall well-being. Think about the activities you engage in and ask yourself if they genuinely add value to your life. If you find yourself relieved at the thought of these commitments ending, it may be time to let them go. This decision can free up time and mental space, allowing you to invest in pursuits that truly resonate with your passions and values. Releasing unnecessary commitments is a way to streamline your life and ensure that the activities you partake in align with your vision of a meaningful life. By doing so, you create room for more intentional and fulfilling experiences. 5. Creating a serene sleep sanctuary. While we put effort into making our living spaces visually appealing, we often neglect our bedrooms, the places where we seek rest and solace. Transforming your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary can enhance the quality of your sleep and promote relaxation. A serene sleep environment should be free from clutter and distractions. Simplify your bedroom by paring down unnecessary items, focusing on essentials and introducing elements that bring you peace and tranquility. When you enter your bedroom, it should serve as an oasis of calm, even when the rest of your home is in disarray. The impact of a well-curated sleep sanctuary extends beyond aesthetics. It can significantly influence your sleep quality, reducing mental clutter and allowing you to unwind more effectively. The practice of creating this serene space helps to shift your mindset towards relaxation, making it easier to enjoy life's quieter moments. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. 6. Daily family walks for connection. In the pursuit of a slower, more meaningful life, one simple practice that can foster connection within your family is daily walks around your neighborhood. These walks, with your children and even your dog, can serve as a time for bonding and relaxation. Whether it's in the morning or evening, these walks offer an opportunity to connect with nature and each other. They provide moments of respite from the demands of daily life and offer a chance to observe the sunset or sunrise together. These walks reset the pace of your day, helping you and your family reconnect and appreciate the simpler moments of life. Taking a stroll through your neighborhood may not be an extravagant adventure, but it's a simple, actionable step toward embracing a slower pace. It's a daily practice that fosters mindfulness and helps you savor life's ordinary yet precious moments. 7. The art of meal prepping. Meal prepping, a seemingly mundane activity, can transform your daily life by simplifying dinner time and providing more time for connection and relaxation. This practice involves setting aside a few hours to prepare several meals in advance, making it a routine that adds ease and mindfulness to your daily life. When you engage in meal prepping, you save time and energy that would otherwise be spent on cooking each night. It ensures that you have a meal ready to enjoy, reducing the stress and rush that often accompanies the dinner hour. Meal prepping can help you slow down and savor life by freeing up your evenings and enabling you to focus on quality time with your family. It's a practical approach to introducing more intentional and deliberate living into your routine. 8. Observing and enjoying your children's play. As a parent, it's easy to get caught up in the business of life, but taking a few minutes each day to sit down and observe your children's play can be a transformative experience. This simple act can help you reconnect, find joy in the everyday, and enjoy parenthood more fully. When you dedicate a short period to sit on the ground and watch your kids play, you're sending them a powerful message. It shows that you value their activities and are willing to be present with them. This connection not only enhances your relationship, but also helps you appreciate the beauty in the simplicity of play. By slowing down and focusing on the moment, you can savor the small, heartwarming interactions with your children and find contentment in these daily connections. It's an easily achievable daily practice that enriches your family life. 9. Mindful dressing for daily self-care. Dressing intentionally every day can be a form of self-care that enhances your daily life. By creating a wardrobe filled with your favorite items, you simplify your morning routine and set a positive tone for the day. The act of dressing mindfully and with purpose allows you to show up in the world with confidence and intention. Imagine opening your closet and seeing only items that you love and feel comfortable in. This practice shifts your focus from the stress of deciding what to wear to the enjoyment of dressing in pieces that resonate with you. It's a form of daily self-care that can have a profound impact on your mental well-being. Mindful dressing also serves as a role model for your children, teaching them the importance of self-respect and self-presentation. When you dress intentionally, you demonstrate that self-care is attainable and an essential part of living a meaningful life. 10. Savoring special meals as a celebration. Creating and enjoying special meals on ordinary days can be a transformative practice in slowing down and celebrating life. These meals can serve as opportunities to connect with loved ones, savor delicious flavors, and appreciate the beauty of everyday living. Whether you're preparing a family recipe or trying a new one, putting extra effort into your meal can turn an ordinary evening into a memorable occasion. The act of cooking, setting the table, and savoring the flavors can be a joyful experience that deepens your connection with loved ones. Special meals offer a break from the routine and a chance to celebrate the present moment. They allow you to appreciate the beauty in everyday life, fostering a sense of gratitude and contentment. By slowing down and making these meals a part of your routine, you can enjoy the simplicity and richness of daily living. There you have it, 10 practical ways to start slow living. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. For more valuable content like this, Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.